Hello everyone, I am Karthik Kumar HM from CSE department. I am going to give a seminar topic on e-paper technology. First, introduction. E-paper is also called as electronic paper or electronic ink display. The first e-paper was developed in 1974 by Nicholas K. Sheridan at Xerox Palo Alto Research Center. E-paper is a flexible and its very wide viewing angle, and the first electronic paper was called as Gracon. And at the FPD 2008 exhibition, Japanese company Shokan demonstrated a wall with electronic wall paper using the technology. The random examples are like USB flash drive with ink link implemented, capacity meter of available flash memory, and it was developed in 1970s by Nick Sheridan at Xerox Palo Alto Research Center. The technologies we have used at Gracon, electronic electrophoretic display, electrowetting, electrofluidic display, and interferometric modulator. First, we go on Gracon. It was the first electronic paper and was developed in 1970s. Consists of polythene spheres, and each sphere is a genus particle composed of negatively charged black plastic on one side and positively charged white plastic on the other. The spheres are embedded in transparent silicon made sheet with each sphere suspended in a bubble of oil so that they can rotate freely. Where electrophoretic display, the electronic ink display from E-Link is based on encapsulated electrophoresis, and applying an electric field moves the particles about. The microcapsules can be switched into the reflecting or absorbing state by applying a positive or negative voltage. When positive voltage is applied, the particles migrate electrostatically toward the electrode on the viewer side. When negative voltage is applied, the particles move to the electrode on the side away from the viewer and become hidden behind the die. The viewer sees the color of the die. Where we come to electrowetting display. With no voltage applied, the oil forms a flat film between the water and hydrophobic insulating coating on an electrode, resulting in a colored pixel. When the voltage is applied between the electrode and the water, the interfacial tension between the water and the coating changes. As a result, the stack state is no longer stable, causing the water to move all the oil side. Where electrofluidic displays. Electrofluidic display are a variation of electrowetting display. Electrofluidic displays place an aqueous pigment dispersion inside a tiny reservoir. The reservoir comprises less than 5 to 10% of the viewable pixel area, and therefore the pigment is substantially hidden from the view. As a result, the display takes on color and brightness similar to that of conventional pigment printed on the paper. Interferometric modulator, which is known as MERSAL, the technology used in electronic visual display that can create various colors through interference of reflected light. The color is selected when an electrically switched light modulator comprising a microscopic cavity that is switched on and off using driver integrated circular similar to those used to address liquid crystal display, which is known as LCD. And comparisons of e-paper and LCD, electronic ink display and liquid crystal display. The white viewing angle is large in electronic ink display and best image one from the one position in liquid crystal display. Where we come in electronic display, black on paper white. In liquid crystal display, gray on gray. Readable in sunlight can be difficult to see in liquid crystal display. Holds image without power drain in electronic ink display. Require power to hold images in liquid crystal display. In electronic ink display, we can use plastic or a glass, where in liquid crystal display, we can only use glass. The lightweight in electronic ink display and power supply and glass make LCDs relatively heavy. Advantages of e-paper technology is like it is paper-like readability, high reflectivity and high contrast and resolution. View angle is 180 degree and it is high flexible, ultra power, low power consumption. Whereas applications electronic book, we use electronic in newspaper, mobile display, computer monitor. The conclusion of this electronic paper technology, researchers found that it is just few years this technology can replace paper in many situations, leading us to think of a truly paperless world. The references, thank you.